Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to tackle a big one. This video is for anyone who hasn't got accepted into the Amazon Influencer Program. I'm going to teach you how to create your own Amazon storefront for free. I found this new hack that's going to get you back in the game. So let's get into it. Here's one of my websites that I created a couple of months ago. I just got 4 items on here: laptop, microphone, ring light, and also a phone holder. And as you see, if I press the picture on laptop, it goes straight to Amazon. Bam, there it is. Now, this is how you find the Google sites. You go up to the top Google search engine page and you press the 9 dots at the top and you scroll all the way down, and we're looking for Google sites. Not there, so press more from Google. Now let's just scroll down until we find it. I think it's all the way at the bottom. Here it is. Google sites, press that. Okay, perfect. This is where we want to be. Now they have different templates you can use if you choose to do so. If you want to start off with using some of the templates, they all kind of cool. Just pick something that's, that goes along with your brand. But for this example, we're going to press a blank one, and it's going to bring you to a template like this, and it's blank. Now in the title, you have to make your own title, whatever your storefront is. But I want to let you guys know that Amazon don't want you to say Amazon storefront. So you have to say Amazon finds or Amazon recommendations. Now, if you go over to the right-hand side where it says insert, you have all these templates that you can actually use. You can put like 4 across, you can add another 4, have 8 of them, depends on what you want to do. Just for this example, I'm gonna use the top 4. I'm gonna do one of them just to show you how to do it. And what we want to do is add an image to it. Now, what we're gonna do is go over to Unsplash. Unsplash is royalty free pictures you can download for free. And for this example, we're going to pick this one. This microphone right here looks kind of cool, right? We're going to download it. And we're going to go back over to the web page, and then we're going to upload the picture that we downloaded to our computer. And the text right here, what we're going to do is we're going to add a button. We're going to go down here and say button. We're going to say microphone or whatever your product is. And then we're going to go back over to Amazon, and we're going to find a product that looks similar to that picture. And I found one. And what we're going to do is go up here. If you got an Amazon Associates account, you already know what it's at. The top left corner, we press text link or get link for text, copy link, go back. And in the link right there, you paste that in, bam. Now it's in there. It's all good. Now, how you preview it is just go up here to the top, press preview. All right. Now, it depends on how many items that you got. It may be 20 items, right? Just for the example, I just only did 1. If I press microphone, it goes straight to Amazon. And every time somebody purchases this product right here, you get a commission. And one thing I like is it's kind of like Canva, right? You could change like the background, you could change the fonts however you want to. You do whatever you want. But this is the part that's really, really cool, right? Like I got YouTube videos. You can add YouTube videos inside of your web page. Check that out. I got a whole YouTube video. Now if I preview it, if I press that YouTube, it'll start playing. That's totally awesome, man. You can do whatever you want. It's really simple. Check out these buttons. Play around. Have some fun with it. You can upload Google Docs, calendars. You can do sheets. You can do all type of stuff in here, and it's absolutely free. Now, the only downside about having this type of free website from Google Sites is you can't collect emails from your customers or potential customers where you can send out like Amazon hot items or something like that in their emails. But if you guys want to learn how to do this step by step, I got a free course. I'm gonna leave the link down in the description. But this is how you publish it right here. Put rocks, finds. Make it real simple. And when you see that check mark comes up, it says it's available. So you press publish. I'm trying to say, how can I find it? Where can I find it? Oh, now that's my link right here. So what you do is you want to copy this link, and then you can put it into your YouTube descriptions, or you can do it on your Facebook post, or anywhere that has a link, like on TikTok or wherever you want to put it at. If you guys found this information useful, join me in my next video where I show you how to do affiliate marketing, and but most importantly, how to do Amazon affiliate marketing. And don't forget to check out the free course. Peace.